Hello you guys, today is Sunday and I am with Mohammed. We're running some errands today, so we're currently at Costco, and then behind me I have some chairs that I'm returning to IKEA, so I'm going to be bringing you all along with me. As always, Sundays Costco is super packed. I mean, I think any day of the week or weekend is packed, so stay tuned and hopefully I'm able to capture some footage or vlog inside because it always tends to be packed. And so if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, comment or like this video. Left the shoe store because Mohammed got some sneakers and I was looking for some Hoka, but I didn't find the color that I was originally wanting, so I just wanted to stick to the all white. And we are now at IKEA. We're going to return some chairs. I'm like getting tired. I don't know if I'm getting sleepy or hungry, but let me go ahead and bring y'all along with me before they end up closing, so stay tuned. Left IKEA and now we had to stop at the charging station to charge the car, and now we are on our way to this sweet pastry place called Big Dash, and it's kind of like, I think like a minute or 2-minute walk from where we're parked. I think this is like one of the first times we've gotten off while we're charging the car, but it's a nice area, or kind of like a plaza where there's different restaurants that you can try, and you know, it's convenient because you can take advantage of your time. Something that I like about this plaza is that there's an international grocery store back there, and then there's even a Mediterranean restaurant, a salon, Japanese food, so many things that you can go and check out.